sure I covered off the fixture. Rich.
Good.
Throttle is cracked.
Good.
Primer and then locked.
Good.
Beacon on.
Awesome. Clear prop.
Prop area is clear.
No one's out there.
Clear behind.
And County Tower 8404 uniform, ready for departure.
South 8404 uniform, County Tower, caution white turbines departing Learjet, runway 26 clear for takeoff, right turn out approved.
Roger, right turn out approved, clear for takeoff, caution wake turbulence 8404 uniform.
Flights, final is clear. Camera in action, final is clear, I'll see anybody in the traffic pattern. And that one's calm. West and almost west, good. Yep, and we have 26 on the runway. Takeoff power set, engine instruments SAR green. Airspeed's alive. Eric is in the green. 60. Those are the fly so far. No Fleming is ready too. There it is. Position for 80 here. Good. Back up for traffic. Talk about hazy. Well, you ain't seen nothing yet. I said the King Queen, this ain't so bad. South 8404 uniform, squawk. Altitude on 1200, please. 04 uniform, we were squawking altitude. We recycled the transponder for you. We showing up for 04 uniform. So 04 uniform, all got the primary. I got no altitude readout. Stand by 04 uniform. Let's fly the airplane first, making sure we're climbing out at 80 here. And then I'll look at that problem. We're looking good, I don't see any traffic. Let's go off for a few seconds. And then we'll turn it back on. We're going to check for any circuit breakers that have popped. Don't see anything. And 04 uniform transponder is recycled. So 04 uniform, it just came on. Altitude indicates 2,100 and it just went off again. It's intermittent. 04 uniform, roger. Alright, that's a problem. We're within the mode CVL, the class Bravo. I say we take it back if he's not showing up. Alright, 04 uniform, stand by 1. We'll call you back in about a minute. So 04 uniform, right? Alright, I'm gonna make that light should be blinking. And if it's not, again, we'll check the circuit breakers. We're coming up on 2,500, we'll level off and then check for traffic and we'll turn back for the airport. In other words, do some takeoff and okay. And County Tower City 404 uniform, like to return to the airport, do a 180. Clear on the right. Clear on the right. So that's 04 uniform, right 180 approved, and then a right downwind for runway 26. Right 180 is approved, and a right downwind for runway 26. That's an 8404 uniform. So 04 uniform, Cessna 185 is about 2 east of your position, southbound at 2,200. That traffic is in sight for 8404 uniform. 04 uniform, thank you. Maintain visual separation from that traffic. Maintain visual separation, 8404 uniform. See him? See him. I'm going to do some takeoff and landings instead today. Okay. That'll work just as well. Alright, decent checklist. Fuel selectors on both. Trim, mixture rich, carpet out. Instruments are checked. The airport is in sight. Looks like we're getting our seatbelts are on. Sending down to pattern altitude here. Good.
Set 8404 uniform, the West 330 at 5, runway 26, cleared to land.
Cleared line on runway 26 for 04 uniform. Kind of grabbed in a little bit here. Okay. We also have a crosswind from that way, so
there you go. Good man, good man, good man.
It's a minor wind, but it's still there.
There you go. Doing good, Hampton.
And gas. Undercarriage is down and welded. Mixture. Power. Airspeed switches and seat belts. Thousand 1,002. Base is a little bit quicker because of the tailwind. 1,001, 1,002, 80 miles.
Good, looking good.
We're clear. I don't see anybody coming in on our final. Clear right, and we are cleared to land.
Good. Trying to make kilo.
One, two. 75 miles an hour, that's good speed with flaps.
Yep.
Just about made, watching the airspeed here.
Okay. Oh. Okay, make it, don't pop a tire.
So I'm using aerodynamic braking.
Okay.
Nice and easy deceleration.
So 04 uniform, contact ground 1217, please.
207, good day.
On both trim, gonna set it for flaps. Coming up, carpet's coming. Alright, the landing checklist. Flaps are up, carpet is cold. Beacon will remain on, trim. Set for takeoff, transponder. Not that it really matters, I think. Okay. Stand by, Peter, heat is off.
see anything.
Uh-huh.
Could be that.
That's what it was. That's the banging.
Alright, 2-6. Compass DG. Come to the floor.
No flaps this time.
Okay. Takeoff power is set. Gauge is green. Fuel selector on both. Mixture, carb heat, belts. Get 80 miles an hour here. Oh, miles an hour. Desk light speed, altitude check. Carb heat.
Push you need, truck. Slip flaps, whatever you need.
It's going to sink pretty good, so. We're headed for that runway. 8 miles an hour. Trimmed, good. Off of that runway.
No problem at all. You got it.
Don't want to mess it up though.
Falcon. In fact, you're a little high.
Yeah, I can see that. We're going to add some flap. Once I roll out. Or that. But I have the field maze flaps work.
Oh, how's the kite?
November 810 Kilo Bravo County ground runway 26 taxi via India Oscar Zuni Raiders.
Share Aviation, a network for pilots by pilots.